thanks for coming back. And tonight we are gonna make some funfetti cupcakes.
Oh yeah.
The cake, but you can make the cupcakes. So I bought last week some of these little the little paper things for the cupcakes, and these actually commonly they're very expensive. They're not come cheap, but these are $1.49 and you get 50 of them.
That's right.
And so you get pink, yellow, and baby blue. So today I'm using the baby blue and the yellow. And this is the box with the cake. So I took all the contents, I put them inside my bowl, and it says that you need 3 eggs. So we're gonna put 1, 2, and 3. So those are 3 eggs, and it also says that I need half a cup of canola oil or
that's
vegetable oil. So that's half a cup of canola oil. And it also says that I need 1 whole cup of water. Doesn't it, Mike? Is that what it says there? Can you double check?
That is right. Let's look,
on the
folks.
top, right?
1 cup of water. That's right.
Half a cup of oil, canola oil.
And 3 eggs.
And 3 eggs. Here we go. That looks like a lot, right?
No.
Cup of water. Okay. So
Mix it on. Mix it on.
We're gonna stir here. My finger's kind of like hurting a little bit.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mom.
Yeah. After this, I'm gonna like wash out,
I can
catch
stir.
a movie, and relax a little bit. It's Friday night, so you guys don't be drinking and driving. It's very cold here today in Austin, Texas. It's been raining for a
We're
couple
under
of
actually a
days now.
flood warning right now.
Again? For
Yep.
real?
Yeah.
Well, it's been raining.
I just
a
looked
lot.
at the Weather Channel.
Yeah, it's been raining a lot.
They say
know.
it's going to be raining until midnight.
Yeah, so it's hard to cook with this. When I took the other thing this is one of them jumbo bandages.
That's right.
So you see? Wow, my
Look at those
this
sprinkles,
looks so
guys.
nice already, right?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Wow. You think we can probably gonna need like 18 cupcakes, or you think 12?
Well,
Well,
I guess
if
we're
it's
gonna find
more,
out.
I'll take another tray out and we'll put more. But I think we can only, out of this, we can only make like 12 of them.
Well,
right?
let's find out. Maybe
So
maybe
that's
24.
all you need. That's batter enough. I'm gonna put this here, and we're gonna fill those cups right now. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna fill them up.
And how do you do that?
Like taking one of these.
Wow, magic.
1.
And how much do you usually fill one of these cupcake
You don't want to make them
papers?
all the way to the top because because I don't know how many of these I can fill, so I don't want to like what do you say
Overfill.
that? Exactly.
Over pour.
I don't want to over pour, and then it's too much. So that's why I'm doing this, like that, to see how many of them I can fill.
That's right.
Because I have no idea. You see?
But we'll find out. You could probably fill like
I know. Just move that to the back, please, and pull this over here. Okay. So here we go. That's 6, 7. Wow, that looks so pretty.
it does.
God, and I'm trying to thinking in my head, if anybody
Why
out
don't
there
you ask?
knows
Why don't you ask?
something that I can, because I will die to eat one of these cupcakes. It'll be such a mess if I do that. I'll be in pain for days. Not even like 1 day, 2 days, guys. No, guys, for 2, 3 days with like sharp pains. You can ask Mike.
Oh yeah.
I can't even get out of bed, and it's not even worth it because the pain is so bad,
Yeah.
So yeah. So unless I can, you see, so I did 12 of them already.
That's right.
So you think I should get another? I'm gonna try to fill out a little bit more of the other ones. What do you think?
That's right. Yes.
Right?
Well, no,
Whoever-
I think most of them are perfect though. To be honest.
That one,
Yeah.
like whoever needs a little bit extra,
That's right.
I'm gonna put in like that. And I think I can do like 6 more. That's what I think. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna put these in. I'm gonna start cooking them. And how long, Michael, does it say? to
On
cook them
350 for 25. No, for 38 minutes.
For 38 minutes, right?
Yeah.
38 minutes, Mike?
That's right.
Well, we gotta look behind that box. Hold on
Let's
a second
double check.
before we go, people.
Double
Hold on a
check,
second.
double check.
What does it say? What does it say?
Wait, let me see. Let me see.
Where it says bake.
Yep, 38 minutes.
38 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna put these, and I'm gonna take another cupcake tray. So when we come back, you guys probably gonna see me not only with these 2, but there's gonna be 1 more. because it looks like I can make 18 of them. Unbelievable, right?
Oh, yeah.
And that was like $2 and change for that Funfetti. How much was that Funfetti, Michael?
Actually, it was $1.18.
So, okay, guys, thanks for watching. I will be right back, and I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we're just taking them out, guys, and then we're gonna come back. So we're gonna let it cool a little bit. And those minutes that are there for the other cupcakes, remember? See? So I have 5.5 of them. Look how pretty these looks. We'll be back like in 5 minutes as soon as they cool off, and we'll take them out and close this, okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I said we were gonna come back in 5-10 minutes, but I realized that, remember, I bought these little thingies. So look how pretty they came out.
Wow, that's right.
Yeah, they're still, hot because we just took them out. But if you guys want to make your confetti cupcakes, or you can make a sheet of cake, it doesn't matter.
Beautiful.
Just buy your box. They're like $2 and change. I have 5-6 more going. So the batter was enough for those other ones that I was talking about, guys. And look how pretty they came out. You don't want to put frosting on these,
oh, yeah,
because
bring
the
them on
pretty
over.
of this is exactly. And I just want everybody to see the other ones that are here. And with that, I'm going to let everybody go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google+, on Patreon. If you want to donate $1 or not. And if you want to get anything for your puppies and some good dog food, go to lifeabundance.com/forall. Click on the link right down below, and it will take you directly to the website. And look us up on Pinterest, look us up on Tumblr,
Google+,
and everywhere that you see us. Thanks for watching.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much, guys.
supporting us.
We appreciate
and
it.
And these are your confetti cupcakes. Look how pretty they came out. You gonna eat one, Michael?
Oh,
you,
yeah.
want me to cut one so you can eat one?
Yeah, I'll eat one.
Yeah, hold on a second, so don't go. So let's do this real quick. Oh, and I just want from over there, Michael. Blow out the camera from over there so everybody can see the other cupcakes that I have. And there we have like 6 more. So later, if you see a picture on Instagram or on YouTube, it's going to be like all of them on top of each other. So this is for Mike. Here, Michael. And which one do you want? A little one? Pink. This baby one?
Yep, the baby.
Okay. So we're going to go like this. Right, Mike?
Yep.
And
Look at that.
wow, look at that. Here you go, Michael. So go ahead and, Michael, and take a bite out of that. I'll
Ooh,
hold
it's
it
hot,
here.
it's
I
hot.
know it is.
Ooh.
So go ahead. Go
Ooh,
ahead.
okay.
Wow. And look how nice and spongy, just like they're supposed to look. And if you look around the cake, okay, this is your confetti cupcakes.
It's very good.
They smell really, really good. I'm going to bring a couple of them for my husband. I know he loves them. We love you all. Thanks for watching. Don't drink and drive. It's Friday night. Have a good time. Love each other. And I love you all. Thanks for watching again, people. See you tomorrow.